Today we're going to help you make the better choice when selecting bunk beds. Let's be honest, how much time do you really want to spend assembling furniture? Bunk beds of higher quality will have more pre-assembled parts. More pre-assembled parts means less time assembling furniture. Additionally, more pre-assembled parts will result in less exposed hardware. Next up, your mattress needs support. Will you need a bunky board? That depends on slat spacing. Higher quality manufacturers use a slat spacing of 3 inches or less. Beyond 3 inches, you're going to need a bunky board. You wouldn't want this to happen. Unfortunately, bunky boards are not free and will generally cost an additional $100 each. A bunky board is going to add about 2 inches to the overall height of the mattress. There goes any safety the guardrail might provide. Not all ladders are created equal. The two prevailing types of ladders are the hook-on ladder and the vertical or built-in ladder. A shortcoming of the hook-on ladder is the increased floor space that is required. The sturdier and safer vertical ladder is well integrated to the side rails, creating a much stronger grip point. Now, let's look at the various fasteners and hardware used for the assembly of the bed. A superior connection is made using nuts, bolts, and threaded inserts. Wood screw connections will weaken over time. Here we can see some of the ways manufacturers cut corners, whether it be in the smoothness and feel or color consistency. Most bunk beds can be converted into twin beds as your children grow. You're most likely going to want them to look the same, symmetrical. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide will help you make the better choice.